What up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and I'm here today with Debo, and we're at the dentist's office, if you guys can see, and we're doing a job. This is what we're picking up. We already did one full load, guys. I didn't record earlier, but check it out. Say what's up, Debo.
What's up with it, man?
That's what we got going on. These things aren't no joke either. They look like it's just metal. They're pretty damn heavy. So we're getting in our workout early today. So the second load of the day is done. We still got one more load left, guys. It took about 20 to 25 minutes to load it all up, getting it done. And the best part about today is pushing that button, and there ain't no dump fee, guys. I was able to give the customer a discount. I didn't charge him the normal rate for a full load since it was all metal, so he was very, very happy, guys. So we back over here at the dumps again. Second load of the day. It's only 7:45 or 8 o'clock, 8:30 maybe. Yeah. Love that dumb button. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, getting it. So we're back for round number 3. And the tip of the day, guys, whenever you guys are running late somewhere, always call the customer up and let them know when you're gonna be there. Give them a time frame. You don't want people waiting on you. Don't just show up whenever you want because you think you got the job locked in. It's very, very, very unprofessional. Make sure you give them a call just so they know when you'll be there, guys. So we're running a little bit late. I called the customer up, let them know. She was happy, guys. That's what you want to do. It's great customer service. So here we are, round number 3, guys, getting it done. Done cleaning up a dentist's office. This is Rudy. How was our service, Rudy?
That was great.
It was
helpful
great.
Guys, yeah. Got it done quick. It was a lot of work.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
That's what we got done. Check it out. Oh yeah, 3 loads. So I get asked this question a lot, guys. How do you stay busy and how do you get these jobs? Well, first off, I advertise, all free. Second off, I answer my phone. Third off, I'll show up and give them a free estimate. And fourth off, I do great work, so they leave reviews, guys, and they call me back for repeat work. So that's what you guys want to do. Those 4 things, guys. Get it done and repeat. Oh, yeah. So we're at job number 2 of the day. It's a quick, easy pickup, guys. Access is pretty close. Just bring everything out right here, back the trailer up. Got Debo ready to go. Let's do it. Job number 2 is complete. How long did it take, Debo?
29 minutes and 23 seconds.
That's what I'm talking about. Almost a full load, if you guys can see. And here's the backyard. Now it's off to the dumps and off to the next one. Oh yeah. Laura, how would you rate our service?
Wonderful, timely, efficient, quick, and affordable. Very happy.
We appreciate it very
Thanks
much.
so much, Matthew.
No problem. Another happy customer, guys. Prediction of the dump fee, Debo.
$64.54.
I'm gonna say $72. See what happens. Oh yeah. So Debo won. It was $51. Oh yeah. Heading to job number 3. Heading to job number 3. So we're here at job number 3, guys. Here's the pile. Oh yeah. That's a lot more.
Do we just start?
Yeah, I'm gonna go talk to him real quick, but we'll get on it. Yeah.
Do I start?
You start on it. Maybe I have to talk to him real quick. We'll talk to the homeowner, make sure the price is gonna be all right with him, because it's a lot more than when I came over here and bid at the job. That's what you want to do, is always double check with the customer if you gotta raise the price a little bit. So let's find this guy. Sometimes you gotta do stuff you don't like. I don't like doing greenways, but it's for a realtor, so we're getting it done. The pile's almost gone, if you can see. Got Debo over here. And look, check it out. Hate greenways, but it's for a realtor, guys. You want to get them on the team, so you got to do what you got to do. And plus it's money, so we'll do it. So it's all cleaned up. Debo's fanning it out real quick. Professionals.
As can be.
Oh yeah, look how good it looks. Sweep this a little bit up right here and we're going. We're ready to go. So another thing, guys, if you're ever working for a realtor and they want you to do something you don't want to do, just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Because it'll lead to more jobs, guys. They'll use you once, do a great job for them, and they'll use you guys again in the future. So even if you don't want to do it, just get motivated and do it, guys. Don't be scared. Get that money. Now we're heading to the dumps. So an hour later, we're all tarped up and ready to go. What a beautiful day in Sebastopol, California, guys. So today's halfway done, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. I still gotta go meet up with a realtor in Rona Park and bid a job. And I got a small job later on today, so I'm out, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day and keep hauling. Oh yeah.